Welcome everyone. So today I've got some big plans for all of my Hue Loco yarn. I've got to wind it, I've got to cake it up a little bit to make it easier to crochet all of my granny squares. So I'm super excited, a lot of work to do. Join me as we work through this project and specifically the yarn that I got from Hue Loco. If you're not familiar with this project that I'm doing, I will link the playlist down below of all of the virtual yarn shops and independent dyers that I've visited so far in the United States. I'm doing this completely online, and it's been super fun so far to check out all of these new, to me, yarn shops around the country. Hue Loco is in Colorado, so that's where I just was virtually. And now I've got 6 hanks of yarn in all different shades and colors. They're super pretty. If you want to see specifically what I got, I'll link that down below as well, the video for that. But today, let's cake up some yarn and crochet some granny squares. See how far I get. Join me. And look at all of these squares. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I would go through each one and show you what they look like up close so you can see the colors and how they worked up really nicely into granny squares. So the first one is Fleur de Lis. This is a Phyllis sock yarn. And just look at those colors. I was able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of that mini hank of yarn. And just gorgeous. All of these look relatively similar. Some have a little bit more of that purple and some have a little more of the beige and the gray, but I love all of them. Next up, her kink is Lava. This one was super fun to work up. Just look at those pinks and purples. And again, all very similar. I was able to get 4 squares from that, and this one was the merino sock yarn, so a little bit less. Let's see, yeah, this her kink is Lava only had 80 yards, whereas the Fleur de Lis had 90 yards, so that 10 yards gave me 1 more square. So we've got some really nice pinks, purples, even some oranges and some green hues in there. Love this colorway so much. Next up, we've got Ohana. Again, this was a merino sock, so it had 80 yards, and I was able to get 4 squares done from that hank. And just look at this. I love the teal with that neon green, and you even get a little bit of pink in there as well. This was a really fun colorway to work up. We've got some purples in there. And this one had a lot of that neon. So all very similar, but yet work up just a little bit different with those colors. Strike It Rich. This one was 80 yards, and it was a merino sock as well. 4 squares. Love those oranges and yellows. We've got a little bit of like rust or red, browns, almost a neon yellow in there too. Wild Orchid. This was 90 yards, the Phyllis sock weight. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 squares from that mini hank. And again, just I love those yellows with the magenta and the burgundy. Got some little bit of orange or rust in there as well. That's almost like a olive green. Super pretty as well. I don't know that you're gonna have me say that I don't like a colorway at this point. And Mimosa. This was a Phyllis sock weight, 90 yards. So I think I got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of that hank. We've got some peaches, some neons in there, a little bit of like off-white or beige. Super pretty. All of these worked up so fast, so nice. They were quick and easy. I didn't have to think about what project I wanted to make, and I could just crochet the squares using beautiful yarn. So which one do you like best? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you would make with any of these colorways. I can't wait to see what shop is on the agenda next time. Thanks so much for watching, and happy Granny Square crocheting, everyone. Bye.